Okay, it has started. Let me come here and we start talking. Hi everybody!
Hello，大家好。
Welcome to Herbal Harlem in New York. Today I have a very special guest from China. Ziyu, of course I mispronounced his name, but welcome. Ziyu is a physicist.
对，我是一个学物理的学生，然后我在爱彼迎上订购了。Sorry，can we start again?
Oh yeah, we start again?
Yeah, we start again.
Hi everybody!
Hello，大家好。
How do you say hello in Chinese?
你们好。
你们好.
Yeah, that's right.
My name is Nkatha. How do you say my name is in Chinese?
卡莎。
Kasha?
Yeah, 卡莎。
Kasha? And I say my name is Kasha.
我的名字叫卡莎。我的名字。
我的名字 Kasha.
对，没错。
Today I have a very special guest. His name is Ziyu from China. So welcome Ziyu. Ziyu is a physicist.
Thank you.
So we're doing a little bit of chemistry, right?
对，我们实际上在做关于化学的事情。
Yeah. So welcome to Herbal Harlem. Today we are making soap.
对，我们现在就来给大家介绍一下怎么做肥皂。
Yeah. So to make this soap, we used olive oil, castor oil, and coconut oil.
我们用了橄榄油，还有花生油。
So we just mix the oil together with sodium hydroxide.
How do you say that?
Just let's say the soap chemical.
哦，
Yeah.
我们加了一点碘化物。
Exactly. And then now it's nice and soft.
这样就可以让它变得更柔软，
Yeah.
更舒服。
And now we're going to add some very special oils, like this is avocado oil.
哦，他说这是一种叫 avocado 的油。
Exactly. Then we are also going to add a very nice special oil called jojoba oil, jojoba.
哦，他又加了一种叫 hoba 的油。
And some,
Is this from Africa?
yes,
哦，这是一种来自非洲的油。
yeah. And then we're going to put some vitamin E, which will make your skin very soft.
哦，还加了维他命 E，可以让你的皮肤更加柔软有弹性。
Yeah, very nice. So also in the oil, we made it smell nice.
哦，为了让这个肥皂
Yeah.
闻起来更好，我们还加了
Peppermint.
这种 peppermint 的香水。
Yep. And we also put some sweet orange.
闻起来很好。
Sweet orange oil and peppermint.
peppermint
Yeah.
这些都是这种香水的名字。
So we're gonna take this. This is mine. Mine is pink, as you can see. This has a sweet orange.
这种就是加入了 sweet orange， 就是甜橘子水的
Yeah.
这个。
And this one has peppermint. That's why it's green.
这种加了 peppermint，
Yeah.
所以它是绿色。
So we're gonna pour it here and make a beautiful design for you.
这个就是做肥皂的那个模子，然后我们会把这个倒到这个模子里面，这样就让它看起来更漂亮。
Yeah. So we're gonna pour some oil. So I'll pour first a bit, just a bit, then pour some.
Yeah.
And mix it in.
我们加入一些这种
Yeah,
油，然后
perfect.
把它
Thank you.
搅到一起。
Then I'll have some of the vitamin E. This one.
然后再加入维他命 E。
Vitamin E is so good for your skin. It puts moisture on your skin so that your skin can be soft.
它会让你的皮肤更加有水分，所以它会。
And you can use it on your hands, your legs, your bodies, and also on your face.
你可以把这个肥皂用在你身体上的手啊、脸，其他很多部位。
And then some avocado oil. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Mix it in.
加入一点点这种
Very
avocado。
nice. So that's what we're gonna do. So you can buy this soap on our website, herbalharlem.com, and it will be packaged like this.
大家可以在一个叫 Herbal
Harlem.
Harlem 的网站上面购买这种肥皂。
Yeah.
可以看到它的包装非常精美。
精美，is buy.
Nice.
Oh, 精美 is
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, 精美. How do you say buy?
购买
买精美 soap.
Yeah.
Soap.
肥皂。
肥皂。
Yeah. 肥皂。
买精美肥皂。
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
买精美肥皂。Yeah.
在 Herbal Harlem 的网站上面购买。
So Herbal is Herbal, and then Harlem. HerbalHarlem.com. Because we're in Harlem in New York, right?
对，我们现在在 Harlem 区，然后这是他做肥皂的地方。
Yeah. 肥皂，来弄肥皂。
我们身后就是他的肥皂商店。
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The store.
The store, yeah. Exactly.
Soap store.
So mix in your oil, because now it's nice and thick. Then I'll show you how we make it. Okay.
我们现在在搅拌这个，然后待会儿把它倒在这个模子里面，大家就
This
可以
one's
看到我
down.
们是怎么做肥皂的。
Very beautiful. Let me put this aside. And here's the soap. Put this there. Okay. So we're gonna do this one. So I'm gonna pour this. There. And then again. Yeah, put it like this. Yeah. Okay. And you just hold this one here. And then there we go. Yeah. So this is what makes it design.
他把这种绿色的和这种橙色的混在一起，
Then
然
I'll
后就可以
pour mine. Then you pour yours.
像这样一层一层的倒，就可以得到很神奇的颜色。
Perfect. Yes. And you can pour some here. Perfect.
Works.
Let me finish with there. Let me get the camera for close up.
这个镜头可以近一点看到这个肥皂。
How is the process so far? Are you having fun making the soap? Yes, yes. So this is what it looks like. Mm-hmm.
这还是我第一次知道肥皂是这么做出来的。
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us. And go to herbalharlem.com and buy the soap.
谢谢大家，然后欢迎大家来到 www.herbalharlem.com 的网站上购买这款肥皂。谢谢大家。
Yeah, so join us. Yeah, go to herbalharlem.com. Now that you can see what the beautiful soap looks like, and buy one of these pieces of soap.
Yeah.
Yeah. There. Bye. Thank you.